Hi there and welcome to the DataImpulse channel. This video will show you how to use WebScraping AI with DataImpulse proxies. WebScraping AI is a powerful tool that helps you scrape necessary pages fast. It works with different languages and offers a free version to try. In this tutorial we will use the curl command in terminal or the command line if you use Windows. First, go to your DataImpulse account, select the necessary plan tab and configure the necessary settings. As WebScraping AI requires a specific proxy format, scroll down the page and change the proxy format to the login, password, hostname, port. Don't forget to copy the proxies. Then, visit your WebScraping AI dashboard to copy your API key. You must include it in every query. Now, when you have everything ready, let's form a query. To use third-party proxies, you need a custom proxy parameter. You can find all the necessary details and query examples in the WebScraping AI API documentation. In our example, we will try to get the HTML data of the page. So, our query will look like this. You can also change the order of parameters and it will still work. Press enter and you will see the HTML of https api.ipi.org, including the IP address you're currently using. To ensure that the proxy works, you may simply visit this site and check your real IP. That's all it takes to start with WebScraping AI. Please give this video your thumbs up if it was helpful and subscribe to our channel to always have the necessary guides at hand. And feel free to write in the comment section what guides you want us to film next. And see you in the next video.